Hey guys, Mark here at Gilby Realty. There's an action-packed weekend going on in the Villages this week. There is a ton of open houses all over the place for new homes down in Lake Denham and Dabney. There's existing homes, a ton of them. I mean, the Villages themselves have about 50 existing open houses on homes north of Lake Denham. And they have about 18 open houses this weekend. And I'm not counting today. There's a few today till 3. Probably over by now. But there's about 18 to 20 new open houses in Lake Denham and Dabney this weekend. So Saturday and Sunday. So go out and take a look. There's a ton of open houses. You can go out. Don't have to worry about being bothered. Go take a look. Say hi. See what's going on. See what you like. And what I have put together is a form for you. So here's a form. This is why I typically give my clients up where, when they're looking for houses, I love to give them, forms to fill out. Keeps them organized, especially if they're going to a lot of open houses on their own. There's a great way for you to go out there, enter the village, the address, the price, the square foot. And hopefully it'll allow you to keep track of what is going on with every home you visit. Because sometimes it's hard to keep track of where you're visiting. And what I do with clients is I'll go to the house with them. We'll fill this sheet out. I have them snap a photo with their phone, so that's number one, that house number one. So if we go visit 5 open houses today, there's going to be 5 in this sheet, but I'm going to have 5 photos, and they're all going to be from the first visit to the last visit in a row. It's a great way for you to keep organized, see what you like, keep track of that price per square foot. The bond price, see what your payment is, and just go in and just see. You will find over time, you will find a very nice trend if you keep track of all these, of what's going on in the villages, and you'll be able to go back. If it takes you 3 months to find a house, you'll be able to go back in these sheets every weekend for a 3-month period, and you'll be able to see possibly a bunch of discounts going on, some features and amenities you made note of. Maybe there's a few you want to go back in and take a look at, okay? So the Villages has a ton of open houses. That was new. A ton. There's some today, a bunch going on with existing homes today, a bunch tomorrow. So it's open house. Now, this can be overwhelming. So that's why I like the spreadsheet. I have it in a PDF. This you can just print it out. I'm also going to give you the spreadsheet so you can go in and make your own changes if you want. Some people have that ability to do it, so I'm going to give you both. These are yours to keep, change it, edit it the way you like, and more power to you, okay? Now let's go to Zillow. Zillow's got 119 open houses this weekend starting tomorrow all the way through to Tuesday. So I think you can go in here. I go to agent, and you can go down here, must have an open house. And you hit apply, and you'll be able to see all the open houses by realtors. This is the MLS now. All the open houses by realtors that are going on this weekend. All right? And you'll be able to see quite a bit. Starting tomorrow, and there's a ton, all the way from north to south in the villages. And you will be able to pick up, use this sheet that I've created for you. Use it to your best ability so that you can keep track of what you're looking at. I put new home here, cross it out and put existing. And will be able to figure out over time what is a really good deal and what isn't. If you're just looking at them sporadically over time, it's very hard for you to get a whole picture of what's going on in the real estate market. Because I do this on a daily basis in multiple markets, I know what's going on because I'm looking at them every day. So, Villages, open houses, ton of them in the newer sections and also in the existing homes north. There's a ton of open houses going on. I mean, to be honest with you, somebody could rent a bus and probably take 100 people around all day long to all these open houses. It's insanity. It's crazy how many are in this area. So go take a look, see what you like. On the form itself, you put in the information about the house down below it. You'll be able to write some notes of your own. Fill out the notes, see if you like it, rate it from 1 to 10 on the house itself, and rate the location. That's a biggie. Is there natural gas or is it just electric? Not every house in the villages has natural gas, right? Good selling point. What type of siding is it? It's a vinyl siding, tends to be the cheaper option. So just go there, fill this out, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. And I hope you have a good weekend. And post down below how your visit went to all these open houses, and maybe you found yourself some kick butt deal and you couldn't help yourself and you made an offer. So anyways, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.